ever look in the mirror and just say, I wish I could change that one thing about my appearance? Well, it's easier than ever now, and it's affordable too. Dr. James Chan is a double board certified facial plastic surgeon with Reviance. Thanks so much for joining us, Dr. Chan.
Thank you.
Okay, so our first question is, what exactly is a facelift? What does it do?
So facelift is a surgical procedure designed to rejuvenate the face. Traditionally, there's something called a full facelift, and what this does is it addresses the whole face, the eyebrows, the mid-face, the lower face, and the neck. With the advances in facial plastic surgery, there's something called a Reviance lift, or a minimally invasive lower face and neck lift. And the advantage of this is it really targets that lower face and neck area, the jowls and the turkey neck. And this is the most common area that patients come in and talk to me about. And the difference between the Reviance lift and a traditional full face lift is that the recovery time is a lot shorter. In the past, people would have to hide out for 3 to 4 months after a facelift. With the Reviance lift, within about 2 weeks, patients are back to most major social engagements. The procedure itself takes about 2 hours, and it's a very natural appearing look.
Okay, what age should someone be when they're considering a facelift?
So that's a good question. This depends a lot on the individual. I've operated on patients from the age of 40 all the way up to 80, but it really depends on their individual anatomy, their individual preference, and what their goals are. The most important thing that I can emphasize is that if you're thinking about facial rejuvenation, you ought to come in for a consultation. We don't charge for a consultation. We want to make sure you get all the information that you need. And if you've seen other doctors, come in for a second opinion. We'll help you with the information so that you can make a great decision.
You know, you hear the term facelift and you just think, oh, that sounds so expensive, I could never dream of that. But that's not really the case, right?
No, facelifts are more affordable than people think. And a lot of it depends on what you're having done. If you're just having a minimally invasive lift versus a full facelift, if you're having eyelids done, if you're having other things done, that certainly adds on to the price. But it's much more affordable than you think.
Okay, and what are the financing options that you guys have?
There are a number of different financing options. We work with a company called Care Credit that can provide no interest financing, so it's very, very affordable.
Okay, Dr. James Chan, thank you so much for answering all of our questions today. Reviance has made it even more affordable for you to get the look you've always wanted. Spend just $500 to get $1,000 worth of services. For more details, head to kptv.com and click on the Fox 12 Daily Deals icon.